Congratulations to you if you're seeing this video and you're a beginner, you want to start how to bake meat pie and other confectionaries. This is the right video for you. With low capital, you are going to start your business, because it cost me 57,000 naira to construct this drum oven, and it's also outdoor. So you are going to use just 57 because you buy the drum and then you give to the welder to construct, and we are going to use it to bake so many things. So here I was setting the fire. You are going to use only charcoal, and it's super economical. So just all you need to do is just to pour your charcoal and set the fire. You are good to go and you bake. So we are going to bake meat pie today using this oven, so that you see it with your eyes that it works. Now in a bowl, I am using 1 kg of flour, just 1 kg, a little bit lower than 1 kg. And then I use about 350 grams of margarine. And then 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Then you have to mix these dry ingredients together, and it's going to be nice. I tell you the truth, we are going to make one of the most delicious meat pie. Now the person mixing is my student, so I decided to work with her. Now we are going to use 1 bouillon cube, that is, we popularly call it Maggi in Nigeria, 1 bouillon cube, just to increase the flavor and the taste of the meat pie. Stir it with the 4 eggs, and that is what we are going to use. So after whisking it very well, you turn it into the bowl and you mix gradually. Make sure you do not over mix for gluten to form, that is the elasticity of dough to be developed. You have to do it gradually so that it will just come together. Then we add cold water. You need cold water. This will also delay or slow down the rate of gluten formation. So we are going to do the kneading on the table, and I asked her to be careful, do it carefully. And I tell you, this was a very nice student and they were doing great. So this is the dough that we have prepared for our meat pie. At a point I decided to do it by myself to get the right consistency. Now at this point we set it aside, and then we visit our fire again and rekindle it so that the drum will be well heated. And so I left the dough in the fridge for at least 20 minutes, and this is how it looks like after 20 minutes. So we are going to cut it into small portions. If you are doing it for sale, you just need to weigh it. Just need to weigh it, and it will give you the sizes. The sizes will be equal, and it will give you more number. So because I'm not selling it, I just decided to cut it randomly and just scale it with my hand. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe. Also like this video, click this video so that other persons will watch the video, construct an oven like this, and start their business from the comfort of their home. Start your meat pie business, fish roll business, so many things you can bake with this oven. You can actually bake bread, covered pans bread with this oven, and it's going to be wonderful. I've created a video on that to teach persons how you can start with small capital. Now at this point we are going to set aside, and this is what we have. Now I've prepared the filling. I do not bother recording the filling because I don't want this video to be too lengthy. So you prepare your meat filling, and this is it. So we are going to add our filling step by step, and at this point I decided to fast forward the video so as to save time. Please don't forget to like this video. Do me a favor, like this video, support my work, support my channel, because I'm putting real effort. Now watch the way I close the meat pie in case you don't have the equipment yet and you are using manual. So you have to press it well. Make sure the ends are well closed. I was demonstrating it for my students so that they will learn how to close. So after pressing it, you have to raise it up and use your finger to press the extreme ends to ensure that it's properly sealed. After all said and done, this is how it looks. very nice, beautiful, and it's going to be flaky. So use your fork to press it down to give that beautiful design and also to ensure that they are properly sealed. And then you poke the surface of the meat pie to create tiny holes for heat to penetrate. After that, we egg wash, to give that golden, beautiful color that we need so that our meat pie will be attractive and beautiful. This is optional anyway, so that means you can actually bake without egg washing. But if you want that golden, beautiful brown color, you have to egg wash. You can also mix your egg with butter to increase the quantity or the volume so that it will help you to egg wash large number of meat pie. This is going to be massive and I am so excited. So after egg washing, the drum oven is well heated, so we are going to introduce it to the oven. You can see the fire is ready. Now before you introduce it to the oven, you should ensure that there is no smoke again. No smoke is coming out from the charcoal. Then we are going to bake for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, let's check and see what we have. This is going to be amazing. You can see that the brownness is developing. You can see the one inside the oven and the one I just brought out. You can see that it's getting brown gradually. The color is coming out and it looks so crunchy and beautiful. So at the end of extra 10 minutes, this is what we have. Beautiful, delicious, yummy. Look at the vapor and the inside, how beautiful it looks. Oh, thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye bye.